Good afternoon, it's your boy Rubio, back with some more cards to unveil for you guys today. And week 2 is over. Unfortunately, the cards I picked for week 2 did not pick the winner for week 2. But hey, we will progress and move on. And now we will look forward to week 3. And week 3, I will choose some more cards to open up to see if we can pick the winner of week 3. And the cards that I'm going to pick today is Topps Resurgence. This is 2024. This is an unlicensed product, but I just wanted to see what was in there. All right, so before we get started, let's say what's up to my boy Blue. What up, Blue? How did you like week 2? As you can tell, he is a man of few words. He's probably a little upset because our Raiders lost this week, but it's all right. We'll bounce back next week. So I'll go ahead and pull out the randomizer. I already preloaded all the teams into the randomizer. So we will let the randomizer pick the next game that we are going to try to win on through this box of cards here. Since it's going to be week 3, I'm going to shuffle 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and spin. Let's see who we get. Hopefully we get a good game. Lions versus Ravens on Monday night. That should be a pretty good game. So let's see what's going on in this pack of cards here from Topps. Let me go ahead and cut this box open so we can read a little bit more on this box of cards here. Let me close my knife for safety. And we'll open this thing up. We have Resurgence by Topps. It has Caleb Williams, Jaden Daniels, Drake May, and Bo Nix on the cover. It says, look for Electrolytes SP insert cards. There is a total of 48 cards in the box. It says 4 exclusive parallels per box. There is 8 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. And I think that is it. It doesn't say what the hits are, but you can always go on Topps' website and get the breakdown of what cards you can pull, rare cards, inserts, and numbered cards that you can get out of this box. So, just like last week, we will open this up. I think this one says it has 6 packs per box. We will open up 5 of the packs and leave 1 pack for the Super Bowl game. So, empty box. Throw all that over there. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. Let's go ahead and mix them all around. All right, so we will open up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the packs. This pack here will be left for the Super Bowl game to open up at the end of the season. So it'll be a total of 40 cards because it's 8 cards per pack, and there are 6 packs in the box, and we're leaving 1 pack out for the Super Bowl game. Let's go ahead and start ripping them open. Our game of the week is the Lions versus the Ravens. Whichever team has the most players in this pack of cards will be the winner that we choose. All right, let's open it up. This is my first time opening up Resurgence. I'm just doing it for entertainment. First card, we have Mr. Michael Irvin from the Dallas Cowboys. We have Thurman Thomas from the Buffalo Bills. We have Michael Vick from the Atlanta Falcons. We have Christian Okoye from the Kansas City Chiefs. We have Drake May from the New England Patriots, rookie card. We have a numbered card. All right, already off the back. We have a numbered card, 97 out of 275. It is Trayvon Wallace from the Carolina Panthers. Yes, from the Carolina Panthers. So we'll sit that to the side for right now. All right, continuing on, we have Jahan Newton from the Washington Commanders, rookie card. We have Jalen Polk from the New England Patriots, rookie card. All right, there goes our first pack. So no Lions, no Ravens as of right now. On to the next pack. All right. First one out of the second pack, we have Keyshawn Johnson from the Jets. We have Terrell Owens from the Philadelphia Eagles. We have Howie Long from the Los Angeles Raiders, but now we're in Las Vegas. I have Marcus Allen from the Kansas City Chiefs. Also, he played for my Raiders. Oh, look at that card. It says Glimmer and Gleam. Jason Kelsey from the Philadelphia Eagles. That's pretty cool. That's a nice looking card. And it is not numbered. I don't see any numbers on the front. So we're going to move on. Let's sit that one there. I have Ladd McConkey, who was killing my Raiders in week 2. They just could not find an answer for him. Rookie card. We have Tyler Guyton from the Dallas Cowboys. And we have our first Raven. Last name Isaac. Adisa Isaac. Rookie card. We're going to set that down here. So the Ravens are up on the Lions 1-0. On to the third pack. Okay, open up, open up. All right. In the third pack, coming out the gate, we have Mr. Randy Moss from the Vikings. We have Kurt Warner from the Arizona Cardinals. We have Chad Johnson from the Cincinnati Bengals. We have Ed McCaffrey from the Denver Broncos. We have Devin Hester from the Chicago Bears. We have Phil Simms. That's also a numbered card. If we can get a picture of that. It is 126 out of 249. Okay. We have Braylon Trice from the Atlanta Falcons. And we have Malik Washington, rookie card, from the Miami Dolphins. All right, so 2 numbered cards. You can't beat that. Let me go ahead and sleeve that one up also. All right, fourth pack. All right, we have Mr. Jerry Rice from the San Francisco 49ers. We have Jason Kelsey from the Philadelphia Eagles. We have Tom Brady from the New England Patriots. We have Will Levis from the Tennessee Titans. It says Conductors. It's a nice looking card there. Okay, we'll sit that over here. Oh, I have a numbered card and it's an autograph. Man, I'm liking Topps already. All right, it is 30 out of 99. And it is Patrick Paul from the Miami Dolphins. Let me sit that down. And let me go ahead and sleeve that up. All right, we are stacking up on numbered cards right now. Next up, we have Mr. Rob Gronkowski from the New England Patriots. We have Adonai Mitchell from the Indianapolis Colts, rookie card. And we have Enos Rakestraw Jr., rookie card. All right, so it's tied up 1-1. Last pack. Hopefully this can be the winner of the game here. We will see. All right. Coming out the gate here, we have Mr. Edgerrin James from the Indianapolis Colts. We have Marshall Faulk from the Los Angeles Rams. We have Lawrence Taylor from the New York Giants. We have Jerome Bettis from the Pittsburgh Steelers. Oh, that's a nice looking card. We have C.J. Stroud on the Voltaic. Quarterback for the Houston Texans. I have Torrey Holt from the Rams, Los Angeles Rams. It's a nice looking card. I have Talise Fuaga from the New Orleans Saints, rookie card. And last card out of the pack, I have from the Philadelphia Eagles, Aeneas Smith, rookie card from the Philadelphia Eagles. All right, we are tied. So that means we are going to have to go into overtime just like last week. I am going to open up this last pack here that's supposed to be for the Super Bowl game. I'll just add another one since I don't have another pack of the Resurgence right now. We will see if this one can pick the winner. Hopefully it can. Coming out of the overtime pack of the Resurgence, we have Eddie George from the Tennessee Titans. We have Joe Montana from the San Francisco 49ers. We have Earl Campbell from the Houston Oilers, but we can consider him a Texan. We have Barry Sanders from the Detroit Lions. We have a circuit breaker of Ray Davis, rookie card from the Buffalo Bills. From the New York Jets, we have Malachi Corley, rookie card. We have Byron Murphy II from the Seattle Seahawks, rookie card. And the last one out of here is Tavondre Sweat from the Tennessee Titans, rookie card. All right. So, looks like we have our winner. We have the Lions. We have 2 Lions. We have Ernest Rakestraw Jr. and Barry Sanders from the Detroit Lions. And we only have 1 lonely Baltimore Raven. So, the game between the Lions and the Ravens, we have the Lions winning that game 2-1. So we're going to choose the Lions to win that game. Before we get out of here, let's do a recap over the cards that we got. We have Patrick Paul from the Miami Dolphins, which is 30 out of 199. We have Phil Simms from the Giants, which is, let me see if I can get a good, it's 126 out of 249. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then the last number card that we got out of the pack, we have Trevin Wallace, and that one is 97 out of 275. All right, so then we have this card here with a little sparkle on it. Looks like a little disco card of Torrey Holt from the Rams. Then we have the circuit breaker, Ray Davis, the voltaic, C.J. Stroud, conductors, Will Levis, and we have the glimmer and gleam, Jason Kelsey from the Philadelphia Eagles. We'll go through our rookie cards real quick here. We have Tavondre Sweat, Byron Murphy, Malachi Corley, Anaya Smith, Tealise Fuaga, Adonai Mitchell, Malik Washington, Braylon Trice, Tyler Guyton, Ladd McConkey, Jalen Polk, John Newton, Drake May. All right, that's it for our rookies. Then we'll go through our Legends cards because most of these players are old school. We got Earl Campbell, Joe Montana, Eddie George, Jerome Bettis, Lawrence Taylor, Marshall Falk, Edgerrin James, Rob Gronkowski, Tom Brady, Jason Kelsey, Jerry Rice, Devin Hester, Ed McCaffrey, Chad Johnson, Kurt Warner, Randy Moss, Marcus Allen, Howie Long, Terrell Owens, Keyshawn Johnson, Christian Okoye, Michael Vick, Thurman Thomas, and Michael Irvin of the Dallas Cowboys. All right, thank you guys for tuning in to the channel. I enjoy bringing this type of content to you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this segment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with others. You can follow me on Instagram at j.rubio80, on TikTok at jrubio80, on YouTube where this video will be up, at Rubio. You can also follow me on Facebook at Jamie Rubio. Thank you guys for making it through the video. Like I always say, I enjoy bringing this type of content to you guys. If there's any particular cards that you would like me to open up on the channel, just let me know. Shoot me a comment either on my TikTok page or on my Instagram. I will be glad to make that happen for you. Maybe it can be the cards of the week to pick the winner of the current week we are on. I always say I enjoy this stuff. It's fun bringing this type of content to you guys. I enjoy making these type of videos. I hope you guys are entertained by them also. But without further ado, me and my boy Lil Blue, the guy who always smiling, but is a man of few words. We're out of here.